do steamed callaloo. Stand up. Steamed callaloo. Steamed callaloo. Rice and peas. You know, rice and peas from scratch. You know? Yes, you tomato seed in my rice and peas and my steamed veg. Pure callaloo. Yes, steamed. No saltfish. I don't use saltfish in it. This is just good steamed callaloo. Okay? Vegetable. And French fried chicken. See? French
Finger
fried.
licking,
Finger
Auntie
licking
Claire's
chicken.
French
Right?
chicken.
See it come from scratch
Right.
over there. You see it from scratch. And frying it.
With no,
Okay.
with no cap on it.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
it.
Right. Pure French fried chicken. Rice and peas. Steamed callaloo. And rice and peas.
Just the rice and peas?
Yes, and I'm gonna do some vegetable. Okay? I have some vegetable. Move from over and I'll go somewhere. You know, in a way I deal with it. Chop, don't make me have to talk to this one. You're not joking with me, you're not joking with me. I'm not having a bed. See, my vegetable. You see? Okay.
Meal
Okay.
going in there?
Eh?
You putting meal in there?
No, meal no in there.
No, the pasta.
Yeah, no meal no in there, yeah. Vegetable. Steam. Okay?
Then this the
And this is the rice and peas. This is the steamed callaloo, vegetable, French fried chicken from scratch. Auntie Claire, finger licking. Mwah. God bless. Anyone see this and like it, subscribe to it.
good.
Just click the button. Auntie Claire will answer you. Either Auntie Claire or one of my grand.
Comment. YouTube, I think.
Comment. Yes, comment. Thank you very much. God bless you.
And then